What happened yesterday was a world-class shocker. It was a big shock, big shame, biggest nonsense ever in football. How can a referee who refused to who recognized a minor elbow by Haaland during a header, then recognize a very serious refuse to recognize a serious elbow by Kulusevski while scoring the third goal for Tottenham, and he knocked Nathan Ake with his elbow. They did not review it even. They just left it. They counted it a goal straight away. Then when Man City it was equalized straight, they thought, and I think the referee was just very happy, laughing, just like other fans of other clubs. They were laughing. Man City will not score anymore. Then again, Alan was fall. After Alan was fall, the referee, instead of blowing a fault, the referee gave a play on, pointed with his hand, a go ahead. And Alan also quickly responded by giving a clear pass to Grealish, and Grealish went past all the defenders of Tottenham, and he was the only man left, not only the last man left, which was going to be a very possible goal because he was one-on-one at a wider angle with the goalkeeper. Then the referee, when Grealish received the ball, the referee decided to blow the whistle to cancel the play on, and again he blew the whistle. I thought it was an offside. That was not offside. He blew the whistle to bring back a fall for Alan, which he had already refused. This is where everything gets wrong. This is where every stupidity ends. This is where what the fuck that Alan posted on Twitter is very correct. And you know what? The Premier League will not punish this referee called Hooper. Hooper is just a damn stupid human being that should is having a toxic head. I don't know what kind of a human being is that guy. His head is like a rock. In fact, lack of hair on the head sometimes could be a very big problem to human beings. Yeah? Can you imagine you make officiate in such a manner, and you expect that football will be good? And the Premier League, since they're already biased about Man City about the financial fair play, they're accusing Man City falsely about the financial fair play because they hate the Arabs. They don't love the Arab people. They don't want the Arab economy to grow. They are now fighting Man City. Man City has been fought so hard, even in Champions League, but City weathered the storm. So, on the matter of yesterday, Pep Guardiola is always professional. He stood to his style and said, no way, I will not talk like a Tata or take this issue far. He kept quiet. So now, my whole decision is, me personally, my being a football fan ended yesterday. I'm not a fool. The business in football was good. But again, the politics in football is very stupid, very bad. And the Premier League is not going to change it very soon. How can a referee in this modern world of technology give a go-ahead, refusing to take a fall, then after 1 minute, immediately when somebody is now playing well, again bring back the fall? That means he had an interest. Either he bet it, or they told him to make sure Man City does not win. Maybe the FA told him Man City should not win the game of yesterday. But it's okay. I know Manchester City will still win, but I'm no longer a football fan. That is all. Nobody, I know it is not a matter for anybody. Any other fan can have any other happiness if they think football is okay for them. But one thing I have to say is, out of the WFT that Haaland said, I choose the half, and I dedicate that half out of the WFT to This guy called Hooper. And Alan, thank you very much for saying that. Sometimes it's even useless to play football when such a kind of nonsense is going on. You'd rather be burned from playing football. You would have even punched Hooper on the face to realize that it is a serious nonsense that he has done. I don't know if he goes back even and will hug the wife that I'm from Job, who I'm from nonsense.